I'm now going to show you how you can make a very nice vase made out of simple subpatching. First I'm going to drag down here and I'm going to create a disk from the center point up here. And I'm going to set this disk to have 8 sides because we want to keep the polygon count to a minimum. I'm going to give it a bit of height here and I'll move this down to the ground plane. I'm then going to polygon mode and select the top polygon here, and I'm going to use bevel to start shaping this. So I press B for bevel and I use the left mouse button to correct where I want the bevel to be, and I click the right mouse button to make a new bevel, and I'm then going to shape this in a rather evenly spacing to make a nice vase like this. Space to deselect the tool and delete to kill the top polygon because we don't need that. I'm then going to fix the bottom here, B for bevel again, bevel in a bit, right click to make a new bevel, make that in again, right click again, right click again to make a new bevel, like this. And it's like this when you do subpatch modeling. Everything needs to be quads or triangles, and here we have an octagon. So I'm going to point mode, select these 2 points and press L to cut this in half. I'm then going to select the edge here and press L again. That will cut this in half, and then I can go back to point mode, select these 3 and cut. And voila, we have now transformed this into 4 nice quads. If I press the tab key now to activate subpatch, you'll see I now have a nice soft vase. I'll copy this polygons, copy, paste into a new layer, and I will start in edge mode by selecting the edges here. Let's just be sure I got all of those. And this. And I don't want to select the polygons or the edges in the bottom here, so I'll just deselect these. I am then going to multiply, chamfer, and zoom in a bit, and I'm going to give this a bit of an edge, like this. Press space to deselect the tool and press down here to deselect. Now, if I press the tab key again, you will see I have a little more interesting vase. But we will continue a bit. So I'll copy this, polygons, copy, paste, and then I will go up here, select polygon mode, and I will start selecting all the polygons here, all the way almost to the top, and almost to the bottom. And as you see, it's only the white polygons of them. The small here I don't select, just the white ones. And because we are working with subpatch modeling and we have only 8 sides, I'm already done. I will then in the multiply menu under extend select multi-shift, and I will check that polygon groups is selected, and I will then drag this and drag it in a bit like this. Press space to deselect the tool and press down here to deselect, and now I got a vase that looks a bit more interesting. I'm then going to finish off this vase by making the inside of it. I do that by multiply, thicken, and I'm then going to drag this in to an extent where these points don't cross each other, and press space, and I'm then going to select edge here and select this edge here, press left arrow key to right arrow key to select the loop here, and I will drag this up a little bit to make it a little bit softer on the edge. I can then deselect, press like this, and voila, a very nice decorative vase. Good luck.